In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Slides to Canva. Whether you're moving a pitch deck or a class presentation, this simple workflow brings your slides from Google Drive into Canva on your phone so you can edit, brand, and share them with ease. Start by opening the Canva app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first so all the import options appear as expected. From the bottom toolbar, tap Projects. It's the folder icon, and it's where Canva keeps your designs, uploads, and anything you bring in from other apps. This is the hub you'll come back to when your presentation finishes importing. Next, in the top corner, tap the plus icon or Add New. This opens the menu for creating something from scratch or bringing in files from other places. Since we're moving a Google Slides file, we'll use the import route. Choose Import from App, then select Google Drive. If you're prompted, tap Connect. Sign into your Google account and allow Canva to access your drive. These permissions let Canva locate and import your files securely. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one that holds the presentation you want. You'll now see your Drive folders. Browse to the location of your Google Slides presentation, tap the file you want, and then select Upload. Give it a moment, especially if your presentation includes lots of images or videos. For large files, using Wi-Fi can speed things up and reduce interruptions. Keep the app open while it processes to avoid pausing the upload. When the upload finishes, Canva converts your presentation into an editable design. You'll find it under your designs in the Projects tab. Tap to open it, and you'll see each slide as a page you can edit with Canva's tools. Take a quick pass to check fonts, spacing, and any animations or transitions. Because the two platforms handle these features differently, you might see minor changes. If something looks off, swap in a similar font, nudge elements into place, and update any images or charts as needed. That's it. You launched Canva, went to Projects, added a new item, imported from Google Drive, uploaded your Google Slides file, and found the finished design under your designs. You're now ready to customize, share, or download your presentation right from Canva on your phone.